Hey, this is Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, I will be coming to you today just showing you the DIYs that I did for 2021. If you want to see what I did, just keep watching. Now guys, I have too many DIYs to put on one video, so I am going to put my DIY 2021 decorating trends on a budget. You will see them in several different videos. It might take 2 or 3, I don't know, but just be on the lookout for them. And guys, we are going to go ahead on and jump into the video. Okay, so we are just going to start right here, and we're just going to show you the DIYs. Well, some of the DIYs I have done since 2021. And guys, here's a short clip of the DIY that I did on the floor arrangement, so you will see that in a particular video called the How to Turn a Fishbowl into a Treasurer. So I did do a DIY on that particular video, but I do not have one on the small glass to the right. So I did that before I got my channel. This is a DIY that I did right here. And here's a piece that my husband brought me. He found this. It's like, as you can see, it's like an iron, kind of heavy, but he brought this piece to me, so I went on and I did a DIY on that particular piece. And also I did this floor arrangement. I already had some greenery, and this was the old pot, and I went on, I had 2 of these. It was like a pink and white pot, and I made this arrangement there. And here is a candle holder with the little spike at the top of it. It was rusty. And so my husband, he brought that piece to me. He always looking for little unique pieces that once he finds them, he'll bring them to me, because he expects me to work wonders. A little piece that he brought to me, it was like a dark brown, and he found this piece and brought it to me, and I painted this a metallic silver. Okay, here go another little piece that my husband brought me, and he thought this was a pretty little piece, and it was, but it was like that old green, faded green, so I went on and painted that, and it turned out beautifully, and I like it. And here are some books. One was green, one was mauve, and one was pink. The other one is somewhere in the house, so I used these 2 here just to put these on this little stand here, put my bling wrap on it, and they turned out pretty nice. And here is another little piece here that I blinged out. This is a little Dollar Tree piece, mercury glass, and I went on and put the bling wrap around it, and I used this like to hold my little pencils, my makeup brushes. It can be used for anything. Here's another piece here, this mirror tray, and it was like a old silver, dull silver, and I went on and I just spray painted it, covered the glass, and spray painted this metallic gold. And I just got it sitting here for right now because I am doing something to this room, so this is not where I'm going to leave this sitting. I just moved it out of the way, so that's why you see my jewelry box sitting on it, but it will not be staying here. Okay, so here is another vase. It matches the one on the other table, and this is where I just, let me get this out of the way. But this is where I spray painted. It's identical like the other one that I showed you. Okay, here go another little easy DIY I did. This frame here was like a wood. It was a wood frame. And so I got this picture here of this angel and I placed it in this frame here. And this is what my picture is looking like. That's what my picture is looking like. Okay, this is the wood mirror here. And this is the set that goes with it. Okay. So this here was my touch of the master's hands picture that I got from HomeCo. Okay. And so what I did, guys, I went on and I painted the frame. And I just used this as a little memorial little setup for my mom and my two sisters that passed. And so I went on and I added my sister obituary in it, my oldest sister, and then my sister that just passed in 2020. I added her picture because my sister here, she passed in 2004. And everybody says she looks like me. But then I found out that I look like that sister there as well. And also I added my mom picture in it with her obituary. I added her fan there. And she died May 8th, 2020. And there she is. And guys, my son did my mom's obituary, and look at the job that he did here. A knockout, excellent work. So my son, he does this type of work, and it is so gorgeous how he did my mom's obituary. He did all the graphic. That's his major. He does graphic designing and photography. We have come to the end of this video, and thank you for watching, and just stay tuned for maybe part 2 and part 3. I will be uploading that one shortly. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead on and watch another one and subscribe. Comment on both of them, hit the like button and the notification bell so you'll know when I upload another video. And I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.